We're going to solve a system using elimination. What I have here is 3x plus 11y equals 4 and negative 2x minus 6y equals 0. What we need to do, I'm going to rewrite these to give myself a little more room. What we need to do, the idea here is to eliminate one of the variables. We want to make it go away. And how I want to make it go away is I want to imagine that we go back a few years in math, and remember when we used to add things up, look just like that? Well, that's kind of what we're going to do here. We're going to be adding. We're going to add everything up. But what we want a variable to cancel out. For example, I can multiply any equation by any number that I want to. If I multiply every part of that equation by that number, I don't change the equation. For example, if I multiply this whole equation by 2 and this bottom equation by 3, what I get when I distribute these values, remember it's going to every value here, what I get when I do that, you're going to go here, here, and then here. What happens is up top I get 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times 11y is plus 22y equals 2 times 4 is 8. Then the bottom equation, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6x, 3 times negative 6y is negative 18y equals 0 because 3 times 0 is 0. And look what happens when I talk about adding these up. By multiplying the top by 2 and the bottom by 3, I've made it possible for my x's to cancel when I add them, because a 6x and a minus 6x cancel. Now I have 22y minus 18, or plus negative 18y, which gives me 4y equals 8 plus 0 is 8. Now I'm just solving for y here. Divide by 4, and y is 2. Now that I know what y is, I can come back up here and put it in any one of my equations and solve for x. For instance, if I just choose to use this one right here, I have 3x plus 11 times y, which I'm going to substitute that value in for, equals 4, and y is 2, so it goes right there. Now I can solve for x. 3x plus 22 equals 4. Subtract 22 from each side. 3x equals negative 18 divided by 3. And I get that x equals negative 6. So my solution is negative 6 comma positive 2.